Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English shadowing channel. Today, I would like to talk about a useful app that I use every day in my daily life. The app I want to describe is WhatsApp. It is a very popular communication app, and many people around the world use it. For me, it has become an essential part of my daily routine. I started using WhatsApp several years ago, mainly to stay in touch with my family. At that time, I only used it for simple text messages. However, over time, the way I use this app has changed a lot. Nowadays, I use WhatsApp for many different purposes. I use it to communicate with my family, my friends, and my colleagues. Because of this, I usually open the app many times a day. WhatsApp allows users to send text messages very quickly and easily. In addition to text messages, I can also send voice messages, photos, documents, and short videos. This is very convenient, especially when I want to share information without making a phone call. Another useful feature of WhatsApp is voice and video calling. I often use these features when I want to talk to someone who lives far away. The call quality is usually stable, as long as the internet connection is good. In my daily routine, WhatsApp plays an important role. In the morning, after I wake up, I usually check my messages. I reply to my family and read any important updates. This simple habit helps me feel connected and ready for the day. During working hours, I use WhatsApp mainly for work-related communication. I contact my colleagues to ask quick questions or share updates. Compared to emails, WhatsApp is much faster and more efficient. In the afternoon or evening, I use WhatsApp in a more relaxed way. I chat with friends and reply to messages when I have free time. These conversations are often casual, but they help me relax after a busy day. One reason why I find WhatsApp extremely useful is its convenience. I can use it anytime and anywhere, as long as I have internet access. This flexibility is very important in modern life. Another reason is that the app is free to use. This is especially helpful for people who live far from their families. Thanks to WhatsApp, distance feels less of a problem. However, like many other apps, WhatsApp also has some disadvantages. Sometimes, there are too many messages and notifications. If I am not careful, the app can become distracting. To deal with this, I try to manage my usage carefully. I mute unnecessary group chats and reply to messages at suitable times. This helps me stay focused while still enjoying the benefits of the app. In my opinion, WhatsApp has changed the way people communicate. It has made communication faster, easier, and more flexible. At the same time, it requires users to manage their time wisely. Overall, I believe WhatsApp is one of the most useful apps in my daily life. It supports both my personal life and my work life in a balanced way. I cannot imagine my daily routine without this app. For me, WhatsApp is not just a communication tool. It is a bridge that connects me with the people who matter most. Thank you very much for practicing English shadowing with me today. Please listen again and repeat this script several times. This will help you improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking English. See you in the next video.